Okay, my name is G. Kurmaya, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College, Co-education Manapati. Now I am discuss third year, second year, third paper, organic chemistry. That is carbonyl compounds preparation. Now continuously, yesterday class continuously we are start only preparation of carbonyl compounds. Preparation, preparation of carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds. Preparation of carbonyl compounds. Okay, next that is today first preparation. That is Rosen-Mund's reduction reaction. Rosen-Mund's. Rosen-Mund's Rosen-Mund's reduction. Reduction. You know what is a reduction means adding of hydrogen atom. It is also very simple reaction. Acid chlorides on reduction in presence of palladium barium sulfate. That is a reagent of Rosen-Mund's. Acid chlorides on reduction in presence of palladium barium sulfate to form aldehyde compounds. It is the only preparation of aldehyde. It is only preparation of aldehydes. That is acid chlorides or C double bond O Cl on reduction means adding of hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen atoms in presence of palladium barium sulfate BaSO4 palladium barium sulfate to form aldehyde compounds, that is RCHO plus HCl. It is a aldehyde. Aldehyde is formed. This Rosen-Mund reaction only preparation use only preparation of aldehydes. Okay. If you take any example of this Rosen-Mund's reduction, if you take any acid chloride, that is CH3, C double bond O, Cl, that is the acetyl chloride, acetyl chloride, acetyl chloride, chloride on reduction in presence of palladium barium sulfate, palladium barium sulfate, palladium barium sulfate, SO4. You have to form here acetaldehyde, that is CH3CHO, acetaldehyde compound. Acetaldehyde, acetaldehyde plus HCl. If you take another one, that is benzyl chloride. If you take another example, C double bond O Cl, it is a benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride on reduction in presence of same reduction reagent, that is palladium barium sulfate. Barium sulfate to form benzaldehyde compound. Benzaldehyde, that is CHO plus HCl. It is a benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. It is one of the preparation of aldehydes. Now we discuss about another reaction, that is Stephan reduction. Stephan reduction. These are Rosen-Mund's. Now we discuss Stephan reduction. Stephan. Stephan reduction. It is also a very simple reaction, Stephan reaction. So what happened here? Alkyl cyanides on reduction in presence of stannous chloride HCl. In presence of stannous chloride HCl to form halide. It is also only preparation of halide. Alkyl cyanides R C triple bond N. It is alkyl cyanide. Alkyl cyanides. Cyanides. Reduction means adding of hydrogen atoms in presence of stannous chloride HCl. SnCl2 HCl. Stannous chloride HCl to form intermediate here, that is RCH double bond NH. It is further undergoes hydrolysis reaction. Undergoes hydrolysis reaction, that is 2HOH. 2HOH. You know, here between the nitrogen carbon bond fusion takes place. So 2 H plus ions addition with nitrogen, 2 hydroxyl functional group addition with carbon. So what happened here? Dihydric alcohol is formed, that is OH. Here OH. So minus NH3, that is doesn't matter. Minus NH3. Here dihydric alcohol, it is unstable. You know already, unstable compound. Why? Because this compound directly loss of 1 mole of water molecule to form another compound. Here minus H2O to form RCHO, that is a haldehyde. Haldehyde is formed. If you take any example of Stephan reduction, that is methyl cyanide. If you take methyl cyanide example, that is methyl cyanide CH3 C triple bond N. It is methyl cyanide. On reduction H2 in presence of same reagent, that is stannous chloride HCl. In presence of stannous chloride SnCl2 HCl. So here also to form intermediate compound, that is CH3 CH double bond NH. So further it is also undergoes hydrolysis reaction. It is on reactor with water, that is called hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means reactor with water. Hydrolysis reaction. So here also bond fusion takes place between the carbon and nitrogen. So 1 mole of ammonia is eliminated. Another compound, that is CH3 CHOH, that is dihydric compound. This compound loss of 1 water molecule to convert as a haldehyde compound, that is it is H plus and OH minus. So loss of water H2O to form acetaldehyde, that is CH3 C double bond OH. Acetaldehyde is formed. Acetaldehyde. It is Stephan reduction reaction. Now we discuss aromatic haldehydes preparation or aromatic carbonyl compounds preparation. That is also aromatic carbonyl compounds, preparation of aromatic carbonyl compounds. Preparation of aromatic aromatic carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds. Okay. Now we discuss preparation of aromatic carbonyl compounds, that is aldehydes and ketones. So first reaction, that is a Itard reaction. Itard reaction. The named reaction is there. Itard. Itard reaction. It is a very simple reaction. On reduction of toluene in presence of chromial chloride at 60% sulfuric acid. 60% sulfuric acid. The toluene, Itard reaction means toluenes, that is a CH3. And react with chromial chloride, that is a CR2O Cl2. Chromium chloride, CrO2, chromial chloride at 65% sulfuric acid, that is a H2SO4, to form benzaldehyde. It is a benzaldehyde is formed, aldehyde compound. That is called Itard reaction. Itard reaction means it is a very simple reaction. Toluene react in presence of chromial chloride and 65% sulfuric acid to form benzaldehyde compound. Benzaldehyde. That is called Itard reaction. Benzaldehyde. Aromatic aldehyde is formed. If you take another one, Gattermann-Koch formylation. Gattermann-Koch formylation. Gattermann-Koch formylation. It is a very simple reaction. Formylation means formal is substituted in benzene ring. So here what happened? Benzene reacted with carbon monoxide and HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, aluminum chloride, to form benzaldehyde compound. It is a very simple reaction. That is called Gattermann-Koch formylation. Benzene, if react with CO, carbon monoxide, plus HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form benzaldehyde. That is CHO. Benzaldehyde is formed. It is called as Gattermann-Koch formylation. We have HCl is eliminated. Gattermann-Koch formylation. So very simple reaction. First of all, it is what happened? Carbon monoxide react with HCl to form formal chloride. So that is called formylation. Formal chloride. If you take example, that is a CO plus HCl to form formal chloride, that is HCl. Formal chloride. Chloride is formed. These formal chloride further react with the benzene ring to form benzaldehyde. React with benzene ring, so to form benzaldehyde compound. It is a Gattermann-Koch formylation reaction. Next reaction, that is a Gattermann synthesis. Gattermann synthesis. Gattermann synthesis. Gattermann synthesis. It is also very simple. If benzene react with hydrogen cyanide HCl in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride to form benzaldehyde compound. It is also very simple reaction. That is benzene. We take benzene, react with HCl mixture in presence of zinc chloride, anhydrous ZnCl2, zinc chloride. So to form new intermediate compound, that is CH triple bond NH, CH triple bond NH, CH triple bond NH. It is further and undergoes hydrolysis reaction. It is further and undergoes hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means react with water molecule H2O. So ammonia is eliminated. It is a bond fusion which takes place to form two hydroxyl functional group bonded with the same carbon atom, that is a CH-OH here OH. So we know already it is an unstable compound. So what happened here? H plus and OH minus are eliminated, that is minus H2O. H2O water is eliminated to form benzaldehyde compound. Benzaldehyde compound, that is a CH2O. It is also a very simple reaction అండి. ఏమవుతుంది, బెంజీన్ హెచ్సిఎల్తో అనార్ధ జింక్ క్లోరైడ్ సమక్షంలో రియాక్షన్ జరిపిస్తే బెంజాల్డిహైడ్ ఏర్పడుతుంది. దాన్నే గ్యాటర్మ్యాన్ సింథసిస్ అంటాం. మనం గ్యాటర్మ్యాన్ సింథసిస్ అనే పేరుతో పిలుస్తున్నాం. సో ఇవి కాకుండా ఇంకా 1 or 2 రియాక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అరోమేటిక్ సంబంధించినటువంటి ఆ రియాక్షన్ కూడా చూద్దాం. Now we discuss about Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reactions. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation. It is also a very simple reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acylation, what may be. So first of all we take acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So it is a very old reaction, you know, these type of reactions. So very simple. Benzene react with acid chlorides or acetyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid to form acetyl benzene. That is acetyl benzene is formed. That is acetyl benzene is ketone. That is ketone compound is formed. Acetophenone also, that is acetophenone. If you take benzene react with acetyl chloride, that is acid chloride, acetyl chloride, CH3 C double bond O Cl in presence of Lewis acid, that is AlCl3, Lewis acid AlCl3 to form acetophenone, that is acetophenone is formed. Acetophenone is one of the ketone, C double bond O and Cl3, that is acetophenone. acetophenone is formed. Benzene to acetophenone. Benzene, acetophenone. If you take another example, same, it is also one of the preparation of ketones only. So another preparation, if you take that is benzoylation. Benzoylation, it is also called benzoylation. Freedom craft to benzoylation antumani. So it is also very simple. Benzene react with benzyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid. That is plus C6H5 and C11OCl in presence of Lewis acid, that is AlCl3 to form benzophenone. That is also one of the ketone, benzophenone. Double bond O, benzophenone. Okay. This benzophenone. Benzophenone is formed. It is also one of the preparation. These are preparations of carbonyl compounds. Okay. Over. Then we discuss about chemical properties of carbonyl compounds.